In the second video, we shall demonstrate AutomationEdge UI setups required for Remedyforce AutomationEdge integration. Log into AutomationEdge UI. Navigate to Integration menu. You need to add a new integration service. Provide a suitable service name, say AutomationEdge Integration Services. We also need to provide parameters for synchronizing configuration with Remedyforce and to update response in Remedyforce. We also need to provide the machine details where our integration service will run. You can save the new service and it's created successfully. We need to download this configuration of this service, aintegration.conf. Let us navigate to the folder where this is downloaded. We'll set copy aintegrationservice.conf and we shall paste it in aintegration service home in the conf directory. Now let us go and create the second option, that is integration type. So in this type, we want to create an integration with Remedyforce. Hence we provide a suitable name like Remedyforce. We need to provide a description for the same. Say integrate Remedyforce with AutomationEdge. Thirdly, we need to choose a file, a jar for the Remedyforce integration. This is available with AutomationEdge and you can request for the same. And finally, you need to create a type configuration. So the type configuration is for Remedyforce service requests. And we need to provide an appropriate description like AutomationEdge instance for Remedyforce service requests. We need to associate this type configuration with the integration type that we created earlier as well as the integration service we created. So let us choose the integration type and integration service. Next, we create a polling schedule to run indefinitely starting today and repeat every 30 seconds. And start hour is 00 to 23 hours. So this is the polling schedule that it polls Remedyforce to check for any new requests. And then we configure configuration parameters required for Remedyforce integration. The first is a string type parameter called URL, wherein we provide the Remedyforce login URL. Secondly, we add a parameter of the type credential called connection details. And we need to provide a value of a credential object. So in this case, we select Remedyforce login credential object and we test the login to Remedyforce, which is successful. So we can now submit this request and the integration type configuration is created. So this completes the AutomationEdge UI setups required for the integration.